In this video, I will step-by-step guide you on how to migrate emails from one Outlook to another. In the first step, we will export the source Outlook mailbox as PST file. And in the second step, we will import the PST file into the target Outlook account. So let's get started with the first step. First, run Outlook and make sure your source Outlook account is logged in here. Once the Outlook dashboard opens, at the top left corner click on the File tab. After that, click on the Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export option. In this wizard, select Export to a file and click Next. Select Outlook Data File.pst and click Next. Here select the source folder or mailbox which you want to export and click Next. To avoid duplicate items to be exported, select Do Not Export Duplicate Items. Click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click OK. Now click on the Finish button. If you want to make the PST file password protected, you can set a password here. Otherwise, simply click OK. As a result, the PST file will be saved on your device. And with this, step 1 is completed. Now let's get started with step 2. This is my another device, and here the target Outlook account is logged in. Here I have transferred the PST file that we have exported in step 1. Now let's run Outlook. Let's quickly create a folder, and here we will import the PST file. You can see the folder is created. Now click on the File tab. Click on Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export option. Select Import from another program or file and click Next. Select Outlook Data File.pst and click Next. Here click on the Browse button. Select the PST file and click Open. To prevent importing duplicate items, make sure Do Not Import Duplicates option is selected. And then click on the Next button. Here you can specifically select any folder of your PST file, and only that folder will be imported. Select Import Items into the current folder and click on the Finish button. You can see all the folders of the PST file have been successfully imported. So this way you can migrate your emails from one Outlook account to another. But this method is quite time-consuming and has limitations. As an instant migration solution, you can use Regain IMAP Backup and Migration tool. This tool offers multiple features. Backup and migrate any IMAP emails. Save emails in PST, EML, MBOX, PDF, MSG, and more. Mailbox preview before export. No mailbox size limitation. And many more features. Visit our official website, and from here get a free trial of this software. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.